19 life hacks lazy people will love. We all know that there's nothing better these days than a useful old-fashioned shortcut. The productive lazy man is the best way to live life. It saves time, gets things done quickly, and you might just get hired by Bill Gates. Welcome to Lifebeam, and today we present you with 19 life hacks all lazy people will definitely love with all their heart. These quick life hacks prove that sometimes you don't need to put in the typical 10,000 hours they say it takes to master something. Instead, you can learn something in less than 60 seconds. Before we begin, don't forget to watch the whole video, and remember to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to receive more incredible content like this. Okay, now we can get started. Number 1. Save ink when printing. Simply change the text from black to gray. The difference in quality is minimal and won't only reduce the amount of ink you use but also increase printing speed. That's good for both your wallet, the environment, and the fact you won't have to refill your printer as often. Number 2. Calling a family meeting. Don't worry about finding everyone in the house or texting every member of the family. If you ever want to call a family meeting, just turn off the Wi-Fi router and wait in the room in which it is located. You'll round up everyone in a few minutes. Number 3. Easy computer shortcuts that save time. Open a new tab by hitting Ctrl-T. Close any tab by hitting Ctrl-W. Move from one tab to another with Ctrl Page Up or Ctrl Page Down. You can reopen a recently closed tab by hitting Ctrl-Shift-T. Find specific text on a web page using Ctrl-F. Increase or decrease size of text by holding Ctrl and pressing plus or minus. You can open a link in a new tab by holding Ctrl when you click the link. Number 4. Never prematurely send an email again. Quora user David Spencer suggests filling in the addressee last, never accidentally to click and post a premature email back. Number 5. Easily change the case of text in Microsoft Word. Highlight the text you'd like to change and press Shift plus F3. Do so once to convert the highlighted text to all uppercase, twice to convert all text to lowercase, and 3 times will capitalize the first letter of each word. Number 6. Save time cooking eggs. Want to save time when cooking a dozen eggs? Put them in a muffin tin, set the oven to 350 degrees, and bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. They'll come out the perfect size for an English muffin breakfast sandwich. Number 7. Know which side the gas tank is on without getting out of your car. Have a look at the little gas indicator on your instrument cluster or dashboard. You'll see a small arrow next to it, which points to the side the gas tank is on your car. Number 8. Bedside Charger. Let's start with the struggle of not reaching for your charger from your bed. You can quickly fix this by taking a paper clip and some tape. Fold the tape so it's sticky on both sides. Then you can stick it to the paper clip and then beside your bed. Put your charger through it and you're good to go. Number 9. When you can skip the scrubbing. One of the most tedious aspects of domestic cleaning has to be scrubbing. There are a handful of areas in your home that need a good scrub, from floors to showers and tubs. The solution to this problem is spraying the right cleaning product that eats the dirt for you. Most require spraying and then leaving them on the surface, and then you are cleaning them for a few minutes before wiping with a clean, damp cloth. At most, you might need to give a gentle scrub if the dirt is extra stubborn, but most quality sprays eliminate the scrubbing altogether. Number 10. Consider using baking soda to disinfect your home. Instead of installing expensive and troublesome air filters or buying fancy cleaners that require a lot of effort to operate, you can use diluted baking soda to clean stains and freshen up your air. For stains, use it the same way you would use vinegar and cleaning sprays to eliminate odors. You can put diluted baking soda in a spray bottle before spritzing it in the air. You can also dust surfaces like sofa with pure baking soda and leave it overnight or for an hour or 2 before vacuuming the residue. Number 11. Vinegar is a lifesaver. Although not as strong as a conventional spray, vinegar is a quite powerful cleaning product that can be used to clean various things, ranging from hard water stains to the inside of your coffee maker. Just take care to dilute it in water as it can be very strong. This holds true for other natural cleaning products like lemon and baking soda. Speaking of baking soda, number 12. Use dental floss to cut through cakes flawlessly without having to wash knives. Cutting cake isn't easy, nor is it particularly clean. This is double true when the icing is clumping on your knife. Solution? Use dental floss to cut your slices effortlessly and flawlessly. We're calling this one the best life hack for lazy people who love cake, because, let's face it, washing dishes sucks. Number 13. Get more out of your razors by shaving your jeans back and forth a couple of times after each use. This is one of those epic life hacks for lazy people who want to skip the trip to Walgreens for another pack of razors. The tradition from the jeans actually sharpens the knives, much like an old barber's strip would. It's also worth pointing out that swiping your razor on denim knocks the blade back into place, which means you get a better shave next time around. Number 15. If you want quick microwavable meals, search up college dorm recipes online. A lot of college dorm recipes are actually done via a microwave, and this means that you could learn how to nuke a meal within a matter of minutes. Standard college microwave recipes include baked potatoes, eggs, and yes, mug brownies. If you're more of a set it and forget it lazy person, then invest time in learning how to show some tasty slow cooker recipes is a wise choice. This list of slow cooker cookbooks is a great place to start. Number 16. Make your food and pick out your outfit the night before. This might not count as an amazing life hack for lazy people, but I'll be the first to admit it does shorten the time it takes to leave the house significantly. It's one hack you need to try. For example, making some clean eating breakfast recipes throughout the week can help you cut down on a tendency to pick up something on the go. Plus, it can reduce the amount of stress you have in the morning. The same can be said for picking an outfit. That being said, you can actually improve this life hack by doing what President Obama does. When he was president, he built his wardrobe around a couple of colors, which meant that everything he wore always matched, despite it only taking a minute or two for him to decide what to wear. Number 17. If you're going to be less lazy about jogging or gymming, sleep in your gym clothes. This is one of the smarter life hacks for lazy people who want to stop being lazy. If you wake up and are already in gym clothes, that gives you one less excuse to stop being lazy, and it also forces you to take responsibility for your own action. Besides, gym clothes are snuggly and warm, which makes them perfect for sleep gear. Number 18. Cease your ironing days by throwing clothes in the dryer with a damp hand towel instead. The moisture releases the wrinkles, and if you add essential oils, you'll also end up with nice smelling clothes. Needless to say, this is one of my favorite life hacks for lazy people, as well as people who just hate ironing. Number 19. Use a hoodie worn backwards for a makeshift popcorn bowl. Let's be honest here, if you're reading life hacks for lazy people, chances are you won't mind a little butter on your grungy hoodie. Also, this means you'll have less dishwashing to do, which is always a perk. We hope you enjoyed this video. Which of these life hacks was more helpful for you? Let us know in the comments down below. Remember to like this video, share it with all your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you want to receive more amazing content like today, do not forget to turn your notifications on. We'll see you soon.